Hello, this video is to talk about menus. As you can see, this is just going to be a quick video. Just mainly explaining the basics and how I learned how to make a basic menu. So let's start. You can see there's a main camera, canvas, panel, main menu, and the start button and quit buttons. As you can see they're here. The main image here, I just created all this on Photoshop, to be honest, and just transferred here and just put them here. The only ones that are interactive are these two, which are the only ones that actually I put them as buttons, and just put this on the source image, just the images that I did create in Photoshop. The way you can make these change color and things is with the button script. It gives you the option to change the highlighted color and press color and things like that. As you can see, if I play the game, the start button and the quit button are actually working. They're interactive. So the quit button turns red, then if I press it, it turns a bit dark, as you can see. And then the start is the same thing but with green. So for this, as you can see, I just have different images that I have currently here, the title and the two little characters of mine, and then just the buttons, as you can see, and that's that. So for the buttons specifically, you have to select any use that you want to put them. So I created a script which is on the main menu on an empty object, sorry, which is the one that I used to sort of be the container of all of that, of both of the buttons that are interactive. So as you can see, they only runtime and they have selected a specific function, which I have set on the script. And I'm gonna show you in a minute the main menu. So for the main menu script, I only had to create one, which wasn't that hard, to be honest. For a specific one, I just have to create two functions, play game and quit the game, which is the only two buttons that I have selected. And for this one, as I'm more developed, I have the sound selected to the button of a section, and just the change in scene. If you press play or start the game, it will change the scene and it will produce the sound it produces. And when you quit the game, it will sound the player death sound. It will just name it on the console just in case, and it will terminate the application. So yeah, guys, this is one of the scenes. I should also, sorry, I forgot to mention. No, wrong button. Oh, no. Cancel. Sorry. So if we go to file, if my computer wants, then we go to build settings here, specifically scene in build. You can see that specific scenes have 0, 1, 2, 3. They are numbered. So as you can see, this specific one, I used it as the main one, as the 0, and then it goes to the first game, and then he uses the other scene as game over and level passed and all that kind of stuff. Let me just show you if I can. Game over one, as you can see, is another little menu which will come up when you die, and also is interactive. This one only has 3 buttons and is literally the same process as the other one. And it's just the only difference is that it has assigned different functions. So yeah, but pretty much everything else is the same. Menus are easy. I was expecting them to be much harder. But yeah, that was the main thing.